someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Say Lavish, and today I'm going to teach you how to do your eyebrows using a razor. Now, there's a couple of things you're gonna need, not too many things. For one, you're gonna need a razor. So what I use is the Quick Shape Retouch pack. The 4-pack is actually very inexpensive. I got it at my local beauty supply store, but you can get this at Walmart and Amazon. If you can't find it in those two places, well, you're most likely gonna find it on Amazon if you can't find it at your local Walmart, or if you don't have a Walmart around your area, your local beauty supply, I would highly recommend just searching on Google to see where you can actually purchase it. Now, after that, is one of my favorite. It's very sharp, so be careful with that pack. The entire thing is sharp. So it has 4, so for you to use, you can use it on your face, you could use it for your eyebrows, you could also use it on your bikini area. Next, you're going to need a spoolie in order to push up your eyebrows and push the hairs and stuff like that. Then you're gonna need tweezers in order to clean up the areas. Then you're going to need a white eyeliner. So I use the cream one. This one is by Ruby Kiss, and it's the AL03 white. The reason why I use white eyeliner is because the top just fell. I'm sorry. The reason why you use a white eyeliner is because it's easier to see compared to when you're using black on your eyebrows. Unless you have colored, if you have colored brows, you could use black. I'm pretty sure it'll still show because the color differentiates, or the color contrast. And the most important tool you're gonna need is a mirror. Now, I do have a mirror right here. So I have a dual mirror, first and foremost. What we're gonna do is we're gonna brush out our eyebrows. Now this helps you determine, well, it helps me determine how I want the shape of my brows. It's like already mapping it out before I actually map it out, right? It's like that for me. Now, next up, after you do that, you're gonna use your white pencil, and then you're gonna basically line up between your eyes. So from here, what I like to do is I'll do this, and then I'll move here, and then put a dot here, and then put a dot there. Then I'll do that. I'll do the same thing, and then move it to the other side. Put it here, and then put it there. And you're probably like, girl, you look good. What you doing is a mess. Look, don't judge, okay? I'm trying my best right now. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna line, in order for your arch, you're gonna basically tilt your pencil over your pupil. So wherever the end point of this is, that's where you will put that dot. So mine was right here. So you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Basically where your pupil is, basically towards the end of your nose where your pupil is, and then you're gonna slightly turn it. So my highest point is right here. Right? Gotta double check, yeah. So the reason I like this, because you can always double check. I made this circle a little bit too big, so. And then, after you do that, you're then gonna go all the way to like, basically by the end of where the corner of your eyes are. So like right there, so. Pretty much, sorry, my thing's a little long, so I'm gonna drag it a little bit lower. So like right here. There you go. And then do the same thing on this side. If you would, in the Please forgive me if I'm a little bit messy because I am not a professional. So I just do this on my own. So I'm a little bit everywhere. So what I usually do is I would match the points on the bottom. So that way, when I do the razor, you know, it's not a straight line all the way on the bottom. Okay, right over here, all you guys are doing is connecting the dots that you drew on your eyebrows. So that way you have the shape. Whoa. So it's my fault. That a little bit too long. I'm sorry. Like everything is not going as I planned on camera, but usually when I'm not recording, this goes out very, very well. I guess I'm just a little nervous, so excusez-moi. So I like to start most people when they're doing their eyebrows, they do have like the small scissors with the curve in order to cut the hairs. I have that, but I don't like to use that on myself only because I like that really thick look on my eyebrows. I don't know. I've always been like that, but the only time I would use that is when I'm looking for like a very thin eyebrow look, or I'm not looking for like two, because I don't usually fill out my eyebrows when I do my makeup anyways. And then so you're gonna push all your little hairs up. The reason why you're pushing all your hairs up is because I like to start on the bottom of my eyebrows. So then you pull your skin really, really tightly. Close your eyes. And then you'll use your razor on the bottom of the line. Yeah. Pull really tightly. Okay. Then whatever hair that's like that's over the line of the white line, that's the one that, like, any hairs that surpass this white line on top, that's where you will take your razor and then you shave it downward. Now, if you're not a person that wants to shave it downward, you can use the scissors that I said previously to cut the hairs, and then you could just use it to just cut the hairs and that's it. For me, I prefer using the razor. I don't have much hair over, only a little bit. I'm just gonna follow the map that I used. So in the next few seconds, you're gonna see me redraw the line. That's because my pencil was a bit too high when I did the marking because I forgot how long the pencil was. All right, so I have to see. I don't even think I need to tweeze any hairs, to be quite fully honest. Cause nothing looks like it's out of place. Dang girl, all that noise. I can't embarrassing people. Please excuse, I forgot I had this thing on my head. I really like my eyebrows this time. Usually I make my eyebrows a little bit thicker, but for some reason I was going a little thinner today. But yeah, that's about it. What do you think? Thank you for watching my video. This is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this, please definitely like and definitely subscribe, because we would definitely get more videos just like this. Just like this. Just like this. This video is a little bit everywhere because this is my first time recording myself doing stuff, so I made a lot of mistakes, which is normal because part of life we make mistakes. You know, nobody's perfect. But I will, as I record along the way, I'll be able to get the hang of everything and be able to record things a little bit better. But as for my first video, let me know how I do, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. All right?
God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity.